Good morning, Dave here with Organic Gardening in North Carolina. It is November the 16th and I'm out here by my fig tree. I'm going to pick the last two off of here and eat them. I only got about two before it got too cold for them to develop anymore, and now we've got frost, so it's way too late. But I'm going to see if there are two on here that I think are good enough to eat. So let me turn the camera around and I'll show you. Okay. It's my fig tree, which is not happy about the frost. Those leaves are about to fall off. But I do have two figs on here that looks like they might be able to be eaten. Okay. I do not know what this tree is. I was given it by someone that said it came from, I believe, Palestine. So let me just squish this open. Look at that. That is juicy. Oh yeah. Okay, let me try it. Yeah, it's pretty sweet. So I don't know if anybody can have a guess on what variety it might be, but it's pretty good. I actually was not expecting it to taste that good for being all frozen and not fully developed, but it wasn't bad. Okay, let's go around to get to the other one. Okay, where'd it go? Or is this it? Yeah, I don't think that's gonna make it. Nope. So I guess I just ate the last one, because this one is not ready. See, it's got that white sticky stuff coming out of it a little bit still. I suppose I could take a bite, but that's going to ruin the taste for my other one. Yeah, actually it doesn't taste like much of anything. Yeah, it doesn't have much taste. It's a tiny, tiny bit sweet. So, alright, well, thanks for sharing my last fig of the year with me. Have a blessed day, and we'll see you again soon.